Good morning, dear students. Myself, Savannah Lobo, and I am going to explain you the paper pattern for half yearly exam for science. So, children, here now I am going to explain you the steps to give the exam. So, children, here you can see that you have to open the Campus Care app in your mobile. Then, children, you have to enter your ID and password. Then, there you will get an option of online exam. You have to click on the online exam. Then children, you have to click on the subject, that is science. So after clicking on the science subject, children, there you will get two parts, that is part A and part B. Part A, that is objective question, it is of 40 marks. And part B is descriptive question, that is of 10 marks. So children, the total paper is of 50 marks. But children, first you have to attempt the part A, that is 40 marks. Then only children you can go for the part B, that is 10 marks. So suppose children, if you have forgot the answers, like if you don't know the fill in the blanks like 2 or 3, so you have to think and you have to write the answer, because after completing submitting on part A, you can't come again on the part A. So children, first you have to complete your part A 40 marks paper, and then only you have to go on the part B, that is descriptive questions. Children, now here we are going to see the half yearly exam paper pattern. Objective paper plus descriptive paper. So children, here we can see that the question paper will be of 50 marks. That is 40 marks objective plus 10 marks descriptive. And children, here we can see that the time allotted is how much? 1 hour 30 minutes. Children, here we can see that the objective answers you have to type in the given box. So children, the objective questions are fill in the blanks, true or false, answer in one word, or match the following. There you have to type the answer in the given box. You can upload the pic or speak through the mic given option. So children, you can upload the pic also, but the best option for science is to type the answers. It will be easy for you to type, because sometimes what happens children, if you are not able to upload the pic, it will give a problem little for you because of high quality, if your camera is of high quality. So if you are not able to adjust it, so better children, for science you write your answers in the given box. You just have to type your answers, and then you can go on the next question. Same children, in the descriptive also you can type in the given box, or you can take a pic or speak through the mic option. So children, again I am telling you, in the descriptive also you just type your answer in the given box. That will be easy for you to type your answers in the box. Same again, because if you will take a pic, it might create a problem for you to upload. But children, if you want, you can upload the pic also. But I am giving you the better option that you type your answers. It is on you that if you have to type the answers in the box or you have to take a pic. Children, now I am going to explain you about the descriptive question, that how you have to upload your pic, that is answer for the question. So children, here you can see that if you are uploading the image, set your mobile on medium or low quality camera, and then upload the image on the image icon given near the question. So children, here you have to see that while uploading the photo, the camera quality should be medium or low, and then you have to click on the image icon which is near the question. Then here children, you can see that one answer on the one page. You have to write one answer on the one page. You have to take the picture and then you have to attach it on the image icon. And children, if your answer you have written on the page, you have to crop that much part of the answer. Click the pic and crop your answer. So you have to crop that much answer and you have to just click on the image icon, and then you can submit it. So children, here you can see this camera option. So if you are writing the answer children, you have to write it on one page. You have to click the image, then you have to crop the image, and then you have to submit on this image icon. Children, if you want, this is the speaking option, mic. By clicking on this also children, you can speak and your answers will get typed. This is also one more option, and the other option is the best option, that is to type the answer. So here you can see children, type the answer in the given box. Children, the best option is that you type the answer in the given box. Children, here you can see that the objective question, that is part A. So the MCQ is for 10 marks, fill in the blanks 10 marks, answer in one word 10 marks, match the following 5 marks, true or false 5 marks. So the total marks that is of objective question paper. It is total 40 marks. Children, here you can see the descriptive question, that is part B, 10 marks. Children, the descriptive exam will be of 10 marks. Total marks is, that is part A 40 marks, part B 10 marks, and the total marks is 50 marks. Children, here you can see that there are MCQs of 10 marks. This is a demo question for you. First one, you can see the question, and here you can see there are 4 options. So children, click on the correct answer and then click on the next button. Then you will get the second question. Read the question. There are 4 options. Click on the correct answer and then click on the next. Children, like this you will complete the 10 MCQs. You just have to tick the correct answer and you have to click on next. So children, now we are going to start with the objective type questions. So children, you know that in the objective type question MCQs you have to tick the answer. After that you will see that 1 to 10, that is MCQs. Then you will get the next question, that is fill in the blanks, that is of 10 marks. So children, here I made a demo like for the fill the blanks. So here you can see the questions. Dash object do not allow light to pass through it. So children, you have to put the option here A bracket, then you have to write the answer, whatever is the answer, and then you have to put children 2 dots. Then again next question you can see objects which do not emit light. Again write the B, put a bracket, write the answer, and then you have to put the 2 dots. Then third question C1, that is straight line with arrowheads are called dash of the light. Then C, again put the bracket children, then whatever is the answer write it and then put 2 dots. Like that you have to complete all the 10 questions. Or children, if you want you can upload the answer by taking the pic or through the mic by speaking. The answer will get typed. So children, but the best option is, again I am telling you, that you type your answers in the given box. And remember children, that you don't have to press the enter key. You have to just write the answer. A bracket the answer, then 2 dots, B bracket the answer, then 2 dots. But remember children, if you will press the enter key you might go on the next question. So remember children, this is the most important thing, that you don't have to press on the enter key. Same children, you can see that for answer in one word. Again this is also 10 marks question. Again these are the questions for demo which I am showing you. Now the first question is allow light to pass through it. So children, here you can see you have to type in the answer box A bracket the answer and then you have to put the 2 dots. Again second question, the place from which something comes or is obtained. Again children, B bracket you have to write the answer, then 2 dots. Again children, you can see C question, allow the light to pass partially. Again children, you can write C bracket and write the answer, 2 dots. So children, here you will get the 10 questions. You have to just write the answer in a single line. Remember children, that you don't have to press the enter key in answer in one word questions. If you want children, you can upload the pic or can speak through the mic. The answer will get typed. But children, again I am telling you the best option is that you type your answers. It will be very easy for you to just type your answers. After finishing this question children, you can click on the next button. So children, again here you can see match the following. So children, here you can see these are the 5 questions and these are the 5 answer option. So children, here you have to see that how you have to type the answer in the box. You have to just write the A, then you have to put a dash, and children, whatever is the answer, the correct answer, that you have to put the Roman number here. Then again you have to put 2 dots, then B, then again children, which is the correct Roman number option, that you have to type here. Then again 2 dots, then C, then dash, and whichever is the correct answer, that Roman number you have to put, then 2 dots. Then again children, D, then you have to put the dash, then whichever is the correct answer, that you have to mention by the symbol, and then 2 dots, then E dash, and then whichever the answer is correct, and then the last 2 dots. Children, remember that you don't have to type your answer here. You just have to see the question, what is the question number, and you have to see the answer number, and just you have to type it, A dash the answer number. Remember children, that you don't have to type the answers here. Just you have to write the question number and the answer number. And children, remember that again you don't have to press the enter key. This is the most important thing children, that you have to remember in the objective questions. Don't have to press the enter key. So children, the next question is true or false. Again this is of 5 marks children. Again this is a demo questions for you. You can see the question A, B, C. And children, when you will write your answer in this text box, you have to write A bracket. If the answer is true, you have to write true, or the answer is false, you have to write false. Then you have to put the 2 dots. Then again for B question, you have to write B, then bracket, then whatever is the answer, true or false, then 2 dots, then C answer you have to write again bracket, whatever is the answer, true or false, then 2 dots, then D option, then E. Like this you have to complete. And remember children that you don't have to press the enter key. If you want, you can upload the pic or you can speak through this mic. But children, remember, again I am telling you, the best option is that you type your answer in the given box. It will be easy for you. Children, here you can see the part B, that is the descriptive paper, that is of 10 marks. So children, here you can see, suppose if the question, what is light? So children, again you will get the text box. So children, here you can type your answers. But remember children, don't press on the enter key button. Just type your answers here in the given box. And then if the answer is over complete, you can click on the next button. So children, then you will get the next answer. Now children, see, suppose if you want to upload the pic, so I am showing you that how you have to do it. You have to write the answer on a sheet. You have to write your name, class, section or roll number, and then you have to write your answer. Now suppose children, these are the 2 answers that you have taken. So children, now you have to put only one answer in this for this question. So what you will do children, you can see that I have cropped the picture. So you can see children that only the first answer is being cropped, and we can see only the first answer. So you can see children that on the mobile you will get the crop option. So you have to crop this image, and then you have to click it on the save button. So the image will be get cropped and saved. Then that image you have to attach here on this image icon. So children, now here we can see the second question, demo question, that is difference between non-luminous and luminous object. So children, here you can see that there is a image upload icon. So here you can again write the answer. Again I have taken the photo. So children, what it is happening here, we are getting the 2 answers. Again children, you can crop the image. Here you can see that I have cropped the image in the last, and I have taken only the second answer, and I have to select it, and I have to click on the image button. So the image will be get attached to the question. Or children, again the best option is that upload your answer. So children, here you can see the text box. You have to just type your answer. So children, now here you can see that how you have to write the answer in the text box. So suppose children, if it is a difference, you have to write 2 differences, that is luminous and non-luminous object. So children, what you will do, you will write the question that is luminous object, then you can write the 2 points. Write A and write the first point, and then second, and then write the second point. Then children, don't give the space. Then again you, when you will write the second line, just click write the non-luminous object, write the first point, and then write the second point. So again children, to type the answer is the best option. So children, you see that which is the better option for you, to upload the picture or to type your answers. There is this option of mic also, where you can speak your answer and the answer will get typed. Thank you children, and best of luck for your exams.